What is the dimension of A square over B? Whereas the equation of potential energy is given in the question. It's given that V is equal ax power 2 divided by root of x plus b. So here it's given in the question, the potential energy is represented along the x direction. So here we can say the x dimension will be L. So here it's known that the dimension of the potential energy is nothing but m L power 2 t power minus 2. So let us apply the values here. So it can be written as m L power 2 t power minus 2 is equal a L power 2 divided by root L plus 0. Because here we are calculating the dimension of the constant b. So here it will be 0. So here when we are rearranging an equation, it can be written as m L power 2 t power minus 2 is equal a L power 2 divided by L half. So when we are rearranging this equation for A, we will get the answer of m L power 1 over 2 t power minus 2. So this is the dimension of A. And based on the homogeneous law, we can see the dimension of B will be equal to root L as well. So now we have a dimension of B and A. So we can calculate the value of dimension of A square divided by B. So we will get m square L t power minus 4 divided by L over 2. When we are simplifying this, we will get the answer of m power 2 L power 1 over 2 t power minus 4. So the correct answer for this question is option C here.